So let me show you how to export Apple Notes as Markdown documents on your iPhone Air. So you want to go to Apple Notes, the Notes app, and then open the note you want to export. And then now from the export menu, if you tap on the share button, you should see the option export as Markdown. So you can tap on that, and then it's going to open up your menu. So choose how you want to export it, whether you want to save it or to send it as a Markdown file, or to copy, or even to save as files. So I'm going to go to save as files, choose a specific location, and then tap on save to save that as a Markdown document. So for instance, I'm going to come here to on my iPhone. I'm going to choose this folder and then save my Markdown document here. So now when I go and check in the Files app, let's quickly go to the Files app, select that, and then select our folder. We're going to have this folder here, and inside this folder, if you just long press on our document and check the info, you can see it's a Markdown, and the kind is Markdown. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.